everyone, in this tutorial videos I want to share how to use Reverb in Pro Tools to make any sounds feel like it is in the real world. Before we start, we have to know what is reverb. Reverb is the natural echo you hear when sound bounces off walls and surface. Without reverb, sounds feel flat. So listen to the dry sound effect first. Okay, so we have this dry sounds with footstep. I want to make it more echoey, like I want it to fit the sound clip that is a person walking in a very empty space. So it must full of echoing. So let's insert the sound effect first. Click on the insert A to E and choose the plugin, the reverb, and here you go. The window is pop up. In this window, we can see there's many controls: pre-delay, decay, HF cuts, LP filter, diffusions, and a small box with mix and writing on dry and wet. But I have to say, there is a very brilliant function is default in. You can see there's a small box writing hall, church, plate, room 1, 2, and so on. This is called room size of type. When you click it, and it will automatically go to a default setting of the room size. And I will choose church. I want it to become large. We can have a listen. So this is a large room. How it will feel like? You can hear it's very echoey. Every step is echo. So for compare, let's listen to a smaller room. So we can click on compare to hear the difference. Actually, there are two ways in Pro Tools to make sound reverb. The first way is what I have done before, direct inserting the reverb in the original track. It's simple but less flexible. It blends the dry sound and reverb together. So I would strongly recommend you to use the other ways, which is using the sending from aux. So firstly, we have to create a new track new, or you can use the shortcut key, Ctrl Shift and N. Here you go. Making the stereo and choose aux input. Create. The mode step is similar. Also plug in the effects into the aux track and make the input of the aux track into bus 1, and now you can send it to retrack any track that you want to make it reverb. I will send it to this footstep track and also bus 1. Then we are done. You can adjust this sender to hear the difference and choose which volume you want. Let's have a try. So in here, the dry sound and the reverb is separately. You can adjust the volume independently. It's very good for our CPU if you have many sound tracks. And this is the final sound effect I want. Let's have a try and see how can this work. Okay, so now I believe you know how to use reverb in Pro Tools and make sound realistic. Remember, use aux for flexibility, or just pre-delay or decay to match the environment, and keep the dry sound clear. Thank you for watching and happy mixing!